Hi friends, myself is Nirmal Ghosh here with my 53rd motivational video, that is Dare to Dream Big. Friend, dare to dream big. And before I am discussing the topic, please subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Ghosh Dream World, where you can get only where you can get two best and powerful motivational videos. Now I am coming to the topic, friends. You should dare to dream big. Your success is not determined by the size of your brain. Friends, just listen carefully. Your success is not determined by the size of your brain, but the size of your thinking. Your success is determined by the size of your thinking, not by the size of your brain. Friends, try to overcome your fear. Everybody want to make success in their life. Everybody want to stand high, stand big in their life. Friends, everybody want to reach the top ladder of their life. Friends, but they cannot do this. But most of them cannot do this because they have the fear. They're scared about they are very much feared about the matter. They do not get courage to do this. They just scared to do that thing because fear is a mental monster. Fear is a mental monster. It kills you from the internally. Friends, so try to destroy that internal monster and by giving a big smile in your face, and you will see that your fear has gone away. Friends, always tell yourself that you too can do. Always tell yourself that you too can do. Your fear will go away. Friends, I must say that proper planning and definite goal will always give you success. Friends, will always give you success. There are lots of people, friends, in this world who give always excuse. The famous writer David Squast has said that this disease is called excusitis, just like encephalitis, just like spondylitis, just like laryngitis. It is called excusitis. Some people always give excuse. I cannot do this because I had suffering from that. I cannot do this because I was ill. I cannot do this because this happened to me. They always give excuse. They have the disease of excuse, and that is called excusitis. So friends, you should care that you do not have the disease of excusitis, because the average and mediocre people always give excuse. It is true, friends. You just observe around yourself that there are lots of people are there who are giving excuse always. So friends, do not give excuse. Friends, always keep your confidence. Friends, the famous motivational speaker, motivational writer, David Albert said that, and along with him, the John Albert, both of them said that you always underestimate your brain. You always underestimate your brain, and you always overestimate other brain. You always overestimate other brain and underestimate your brain. This is a problem within you, and this is why you do not get confidence, and this is why you get frustrated, and this is why you cannot achieve success. Friends, the famous doctor, the famous researcher of world famous Mayo Clinic, the famous researcher, the famous doctor, Dr. Walter David said that, Dr. Walter David said that you should always believe in yourself, and you should not believe in luck. There are most of the people who believe in luck, and as they believe in luck, so they cannot give focus on the present. Friends, they cannot give focus on the present. Friend, he told frequently in his several books, in several research books. You can read these books from net anywhere, because if you want to gather knowledge, there is no restriction now. there is no obstacles. It is your mental blockage that you do not gathering knowledge, you do not gathering the right information, and you are always gathering the wrong information and becoming negative. Friend, he said, Dr. Walter David said of Mayo Research Center, that if you tell always negative about your health, even if you tell about the common cold about within you, then you get affected in it, and that will also create the negativity within you. And to that person whom you are telling about your health, about the disease of your health, and etc., about your common cold disease also, that person also get bored, and that person must underestimate you. This is the true nature of human psychology, and this is true. So don't make others to think that you are below standard. Always go beyond the disease of excusitis. Always remain positive. Always gather information. And Dr. David Walter also said that a person with a IQ of 100, remember, I am telling it once again, just listen carefully. A person with a IQ of 100 will earn more money than a person with IQ 120. But if the person has the negative attitude, excusitis, and negative mental disease, fear, etc., then he may have the IQ of 120, but he will earn less money than a person with positive attitude and positive dream, goal, planning, but his IQ is 100. But that IQ 100 person will earn more money than the negative IQ, than the negative person whose IQ is 120. So friend, this is important, that your thinking is important. Your thinking is important. Big thing, big dream. Your size of brain does not matter. Your size of thinking matter. Gather information and be positive. Once Albert Einstein, or somebody asked Albert Einstein, can you say how many feet in a mile? Can you say how many feet in a mile? Albert Einstein smiled and said that I do not gather information about the things which I can gather easily from any reference book and from other equipments. So it is important to know how to gather information, in which way and from where, than the mere gathering knowledge and store it in your brain and just be a mental garbage, a mental dustbin. So friend, big dream. Always think positive. Always look at the sun. Look before sun, and you will see that your shadow will go behind. So where you go, just think big. Be the sunshine. You can do everything, friend. Nobody wants to crawl in life. Everybody wants to stand straight and go high, and want to rise in their life, friend. So always think positive, think big, friend, think big, and you can do everything. In your life, friend. You should have to plan properly. You should have to take big goal. Always take big goal, not take the small little goal. Friend, you too can do. Always remember that, friends, you too can do. There are immense potentiality within you, friends. Success also means that you should be free of your fear. You should be free of your worries. You should be free of your mental pressure. That is also success. And if you dream high, if you are spiritually intelligent, then you can go that level. That is also success. That is a much more success than earning mere some money. So friend, be confident always. Be bold, be positive, and just be the sunshine of your life. And you too can do, just believe it and say it always with you. Do not believe in luck, but believe in your work. Do not believe in luck, believe in your work. Just make your luck by yourself. So friend, I will not make this video long, and I will tell you again and again and again that you too can do, and dare to dream big, friend. Dare to dream big and change your world, friend. I will come back with lots of motivational videos. Till then, I am going, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Low's Dream World. Bye bye, friends.